Hi, I'm Matthias and I'm introverted.
Hi Matthias.
Hi. Let me tell you why everyone should start a YouTube channel, especially if you're introverted like me. Reason number one, public speaking can be challenging, even more for people like us. But if you do a YouTube video, there's no one except your camera, so you can practice public speaking without being actually in public. Since I started creating videos, my public speaking skills increased a lot. Reason two, do you know those people who talk for hours and hours but don't get to the point? In videos, you need to get to the point fast in order to don't lose your viewer. When you start to creating videos on a regular basis, you learn how to structure your message in a way people can pay attention to. Reason number three. Years ago, I wished so much to be more confident. After having created more than 1,000 videos on 8 social media platforms, my confidence increased a lot. Why? Because I challenged myself constantly to step out of my comfort zone. My first videos was really cringe, but I didn't give up. I did one video, another video, another video, and another video. And one day people came to me and asked me how to make better videos. So I learned I can do anything that I put my mind into. And that's why I recommend to you, if you are an introvert person like me, to start creating videos. You get better at public speaking, you learn how to structure your message, and you become more confident. Let me know in the comments below if you think about to start a YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.